Hey guys, Gerald here. So I've lost over $30,000 on Clickbank. It's crazy, guys. And I'm going to be going to my screen to show you guys these monies that are actually suspended and blocked by Clickbank. Like I cannot lay my hands on, right? After I've shown you guys that, then I'm going to tell you exactly what I did, to the mistakes that I made to actually get that to happen, so that you can basically, make sure it doesn't happen to you. Because what I do on this channel basically is that I make all the mistakes, right? So I make all the mistakes, so I get to know where the pitfalls are, so I can literally take you by the hand and show you how to maneuver those pitfalls, so you don't jump right into those pitfalls and get to where I am right now. Losing $10,000 on Clickbank is a lot of money, right? So we make money on Clickbank, sometimes we lose money, and what I do, just like I just said, is that I try to make sure that I know where the pitfalls are, so I can guide you to not make those same mistakes that I've made, right? So let's go to my screen right now, guys, and let me show you this be proof. But before that, I want to encourage you, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, then give this video a like and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you, Gerard, or anything. Tell me what your biggest issues is with Clickbank or with affiliate marketing in general. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to respond to you. If there's need for us to take the conversation off the comment section, I'm going to give you my email, and we're going to get to my email or even my WhatsApp number or something, right? So yeah, let's go to my screen, guys, and let me show you guys the proof of these monies that I've lost on Clickbank. Then after that, we'll jump right into telling you exactly the mistake that I made and how I fixed those mistakes to make sure that it doesn't happen to me again. That way you can also fix the mistakes and make sure that it doesn't happen to you too, guys. Now let's go to my screen. Sorry. So guys, so on my screen right now, and as you can see, this is one of my Clickbank accounts. I'm just gonna hit login right now, and you're gonna see that, yeah, this is blocked, right? You're gonna see funds that has been blocked on this account right now. So this is one of my Clickbank accounts, and if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see that they tried paying me $7,000, and it says suspended, right? So I have $7,000 in this account that is locked in. And if you click on that three and you come right here, if you click on this place and you come right here, you're going to see it says that your Clickbank account has been suspended after reviewing your Clickbank. You have considered your activity, blah, 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 and abuse at clickbank.com, right? And I know exactly what the reason is because I've contacted and they've told me, right? So I'm going to be discussing all this, right, in this video. So I'm just going to log out of this account and go to another one, so that you are going to see the money inside and see that it's blocked, right? So at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why they are all blocked, what happened, and how you can make sure that it doesn't happen to you. That is why it's important for you to stay on this video, watch the video to the very end, so that you don't become a victim, just like I was. Because what I do literally is just take you by the hand, show you where the mistakes I made, so that you don't have to make the same mistakes. So I'm just going to go to this Clickbank account, this one right here, and hit login. All right, and you are going to see something interesting also from this account. So yeah, this one right here, they tried paying $291 and you see that it's suspended, right? So I'm just gonna log out again. I'm just gonna log out. So I'm just gonna look at another account. Let's look at this one, Victory login, right? So I hit login, and okay, it's logging me in. We are going to see that I have money right here. We have $3,000, $3,120 suspended, right? And if we hit this, you're going to see that this account is also suspended. So I've shown you 7,000, I've shown you 200 and something, and I'm showing you $3,000. That's over $10,000 that has been suspended. That's a lot of money, right? So I'm just going to log out of this account also, and show you another one. Yeah, so these are monies that I have actually lost on this platform, right? These are monies I have lost on this platform. So we're just going to go to, or I've checked this, we're just going to check this one also, yeah. So I'm just going to hit this right now. So we're going to, okay, there's a whole lot of them I've deleted from my computer, because okay, those ones, there's no chance of actually getting those monies back, right? So login failed because of, okay, so yeah, so this is it. These are some of the accounts that we have used, right? And we have money stuck in them. So you have seen it. You have seen the monies that we have lost. And what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did, what I did to get these accounts blocked by Clickbank and get and I lost these monies, right? So after that, I'm going to be telling you exactly how you can actually make sure that this doesn't happen to you also, right? So that way you are going to be able to surmount facing the kind of issues that I faced. Because what I do basically on this channel is to make all the mistakes, right? I make all the mistakes, and I try to guide you so that you don't fall into the pitfalls that I have actually fallen into. That way you are going to win, guys, right? Because my whole channel is built around taking you by the hand literally and showing you exactly how to win so that you can win online, guys, right? So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the list of countries that are affected and why. So guys, I want to assume that you already subscribed to my channel. If you've not done that yet, I want to encourage you to please do that right now, right? Because I make videos, I'm sitting around making money online. And yeah, I lick you by the hand, literally affiliate marketing, freelancing, everything. I've done it all, right? I've been online for since like 2016 and I've done it all. So I know where the pitfalls are, and I still make mistakes. Because if I see new things, I try them out, make mistakes, learn new things, and I come here and I show you what I've learned and the mistakes that I've made, right? So right now, so what did I do exactly to lose $30,000 on Clickbank? That's a lot of money. Yeah. What did I do exactly to lose that money? So what happened was that, if you have watched my videos on how to create a Clickbank account in Nigeria or those other countries, this country is listed right here, right? If you look at this, okay, yeah, this country is listed right here. If you look at this this list, these are countries that Clickbank doesn't allow people from those countries to open an account. So Nigeria is one of those countries, Bangladesh and some other countries, yes, but of course the US and Canada and those first world countries are all allowed. So right now I'm going to you've seen the monies that I lost on Clickbank. So right now I'm going to tell you why. Right after telling you why, I'm going to tell you how to make sure it doesn't happen to you. Now, if you search on Clickbank right now, how to create a Clickbank account in Nigeria or any of these countries that are listed right here, what most people are going to tell you is that if you use a VPN, that you're fine. That is not the case, right? It is not the case. If you watch this video right here, where I taught you how to create a Clickbank account, and even those of you that bought my course, you also attest to the fact that I mentioned that there is the safest way to actually do this. If you use that safest way, you're not going to have this issue that I actually had, or rather that I have on Clickbank. So what you need to do is simple. Do not use VPNs, just like these people are showing you, right? Because it's gonna backfire. Trust me, I've used NordVPN. I paid for PIA. I've paid for almost all the premium VPNs that you can think of, and I've done it. And I keep having this issue that I just told you about. That's why also I lost about $8,000 on Clickbank because of these VPNs and everything. So what do you have to do? It's simple. Find somebody that lives outside the country, right? It doesn't matter how you're going to do that. You can go to Facebook and talk to people on Facebook, talk to people on Amazon. Just get somebody that lives outside the country to open this account for you, right? In one of the countries that Clickbank actually do allow, find somebody that lives there and get them to open this account for you. Once they've opened this account for you, collect their an ID from them, right? Collect an ID from them, and so that when you access this account, and you are asked for verification at any point in time, they are going to send those IDs to Clickbank for verification and stuff, right? So if you don't have the ID and you created this account in Nigeria or you created account in any of these countries listed here, you are most likely going to have the same issue that I had, which is you're going to be losing $30,000 on Clickbank. And that is not something that you want to do, right? It's not a cool thing. I still feel it till this day, right? Imagine $10,000 money that I actually made that I cannot access, right? It's crazy, and I don't want that to happen to you, which is why I always try things out. I make all the mistakes. I know where the pitfalls are, so I come on this channel and I tell you exactly the mistake that I made, and what happened, the repercussion of those mistakes, and I try to guide you against making those mistakes yourself. So if you don't grab my course, grab my course, because I'm going to be updating the course as time goes on, so that I show you things that work and things that don't work. I'm actually doing a research right now, guys. Yeah, that's true. I'm doing a research to find out other ways to actually create accounts on Clickbank from these countries, right? And as soon as I find that out, I also come to the channel and tell you exactly how that is done. So it's important for you to hit the subscribe button and bell notification button, so that when I drop that video, you're going to get notified about it instantly, guys. So if there's anything that you want to learn about Clickbank or affiliate marketing or even making money online, let me know in the comment section, and I'll consider making that video for you guys, right? Just let me know in the comment section right now under this video, and I'll continue making that video for you guys. Yeah. So that's bye bye from here, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Peace.